Just Plain Darren.
For the first time, we played you a snippet yesterday of his chat with Roland Skuman, which he just goes, Dan Nicol works in our research team and has decided just off the bat to go and do his own interviews. And now he's sold it to a sponsor.
Nice.
So we're now forced every Thursday.
You don't sound happy about this.
I'm not.
Oh.
His job is to do the research.
Are you scared he'll outshine?
7:13. Here we go. For the first time on the Just Plain Breakfast on Jacaranda 94.2, it's the Dan Nicol interview.
The Dan Nicol interview is brought to you by Nashua Mobile. Dan Nicol, he's hotter than a Bollywood actress's underwear drawer. Dismiss the rest and be part of the action with the best partnership this season from Nashua Mobile, Samsung and Cell C. Cash in and get the Samsung F480 on a Cell C Active Chat 100 from Nashua Mobile for just 250 Rand a month. Terms and conditions apply. Nashua Mobile, saving you time, saving you money, putting you first.
It's the Dan Nicol Report, involved in some more high-tech scientific research. We've been hard at work all week to discover just who is the more intelligent, the Common Garden South African cricketer or the Common and Garden South African rugby player. Today we picked two of the best. It's a man who's involved in game 8,412 of the IPL later today, Mr. Herschel Gibbs. Hello, Herschel.
Good morning, young man.
Very good to hear your voice. And opposite him, one of the greatest Springbok captains we've ever had and a fantastic rugby player to boot, Mr. Bob Skinstad.
Daniel, how are you?
I'm very well indeed. A little bit of nerves there, Mr. Skinstad. You're taking on Herschel in a test of intelligence. How are you feeling?
I'll be honest, I feel like I'm at the bottom of my Everest.
And a mighty, mighty Everest it promises to be. I know you've both been on Google for most of last night. Are you ready for today's scientific research?
I think I'm as ready as I'm ever going to be, yeah.
All right, gentlemen. Now, you both went to top quality schools. You're both international superstars. Let's test the academics. Section 1, questions on sport. Herschel Gibbs, are you ready?
I am ready.
Herschel, how many runs do you need to score to reach a century?
I think about 100, eh?
100 is correct. Herschel 1, Bob Skinstad 0. Bob, are you ready for your question?
I'm ready, Dan.
All right, it's a very similar level. Who is the current captain of Turkey's badminton team?
Oh, that's tough. Is it Boltan Mazuri?
Boltan Mazuri was the captain until 2 weeks ago. He was dropped in a hand grip scandal. He was using a thicker grip than allowed on his racket. So, Bob, I'm afraid that's wrong. It's 1-0 to Herschel. On to politics. Herschel Gibbs, which politician was known as Madiba?
He went by Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela.
And the Hlahla gets you an extra bonus point, so you go 3-0 up against Bob Skinstad. Bob, we move on to you. Who is the current Deputy Minister of Agriculture in Venezuela?
It's Bruno Legislona.
I'm afraid that one of your great weaknesses, as well as a penchant for hanging around at about third centre, was your knowledge of members of parliament in South America. That is incorrect. And so Herschel 3-0 up. And because you took so long, Bob, Herschel now goes 4-0 up. We move on to music. Now, this is a trick question, Herschel. I want you to think about it very carefully. What is Elton John's surname?
John.
You see, there's the trick question. Most people think John is a first name, but it's actually his surname. You've got it right. You go 7-0 up at the moment. On to Bob Skinstad. We test your musical knowledge. The reigning Noordhoek karaoke champion, Bob Skinstad. You should have this category nailed. A humiliating 0 next to your name at the moment, Bob. Your chance to break your name. Katrina and the Waves. Can you name one of the waves?
The original waves were obviously Reginald Dwight and Orky Sasser, but I think he's gone with Mark Salmon, hasn't he?
Well, at the moment, I'm afraid it's down to just one. It's actually a wave, so it's a slightly trick question, and the correct answer was Mexican. So unlucky there, Bob. Bad luck. On to Herschel. Your penultimate question, Herschel. History. On what date was famous South African cricketer Herschel Gibbs born?
Now you're asking me to give my age away. 24th of February, 74.
Okay, you're about 3 or 4 days out, but we'll give that to you nonetheless. Herschel Gibbs goes 11-0 up in our best of 5. We now move on to Bob Skinstad. Bob, on what day of the week was the very first Egyptian pharaoh entombed?
It was a Friday.
Oh, it wasn't a Friday. I'm afraid they put him inside on a Friday, but they only finished the celebrations in the small hours of Saturday morning. So yet again, your attention to detail is lacking, Skinstad. We go on to the last question, 5 for each. Herschel is leading 14-0 at the moment. Herschel Gibbs, your final question for a clean sweep. What movie preceded Lethal Weapon 2?
Not that I watched the first 2, but I would imagine there might be a third one. Lethal Weapon 3.
Okay, Lethal Weapon 3 didn't precede Lethal Weapon 2, but it was a lethal weapon, so we'll give that one to you anyway. And because you said 3 instead of 1, we'll give you another 3 points, so that takes you up to 17. Finally, Bob, and I've left this one for you to try and get your saving grace, to get a single point, to rescue your name. And this is an area of your speciality. It is Middle Eastern cinema. Which Afghanistani peasant movie won a special mention in the Sundance Film Festival in 1983?
It was The Black Corn.
The Black Corn was in fact a Kurdistani movie, often mistakenly thought of as being Afghan. Yet again, the detail lets you down. And Bob Skinstad, it's a fall from grace. I'm afraid Herschel Gibbs takes the Battle of the Sports Stars 23-0, and the cricketers comprehensively are the more intelligent. Herschel, congratulations.
But I'll take the little victory.
Will there be a celebratory drink?
I'm just having a passion fruit and lemonade.
Bob Skinstad, a crushing defeat. This will take you a while to get over.
To be honest, I'm a bit sick and tired of what's going on here, and I think I've been duped. I'm gone. Cheers.
Oh, we've lost Skinstad. Herschel Gibbs, enjoy the rest of the IPL. Good luck with those cheerleaders. And we look forward to seeing your blade in action.
I look forward to your company then, but thanks for the time being. I'll bid you farewell.
Well, there we go. Herschel Gibbs, the most intelligent sportsman in South Africa.
For more Just Plain Darren,
get to jacarandafm.com.